Hello, good morning කට්ටිය කොහොමද? I think ඔන්න ඔයාලා කිව්වා වගේ ඔයාලා ඉල්ලුවා වගේ මම vlog එක අරගෙන එන්න යන්නේ roll cake හදන. ඉතින් දැන් මම ඔයාලට පෙන්වන්න යන්නේ කොහොමද මම roll cake එක හදන්නේ කියලා. So let's start roll cake sponge. So I have all the ingredients: milk, egg white, egg yolk, tartar egg cream, cream of tartar, the powder that and sugar. I have sugar some, and I have a sugar here for the meringue, and I have butter, and I should have some salt, baking powder, sea salt. Okay, I'm gonna get some salt. Chef BJ, can I have some salt?
Salt? Salt.
But the container that's from there it's a bit missing. Okay, anyway. I will return it. Okay, so I have salt. So I'm gonna add some milk here.
We finish it like you do. Just keep in mind this is can direct on.
I will share the recipe in description so you can see.
Hello, Inspector.
Good morning, chef.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Man, what expensive glasses.
You want to be finished like you should.
Huh?
You want to be finished like
I am not almost where did you see that?
yeah, they will get from the airport.
This is Nepal, my friend. This is Dubai, so forget about Nepal.
Even him is not to be finished in Sri Lanka, not here. Start the destination.
Okay. මම මෙතන ඇඩ් කරලා තින්නේ 1 kg 300. So I need to add more later on for 300 gram with the Japanese powder. මම ඔයාලට අරන් ඉන්නේ පට්ට රෝ වීඩියෝ මොකද ඔයාලට ඒකට බලන්න පුළුවන් මම කොහොමද මේක කරන්නේ කියලා. It's a 6 gram of salt.